I'm Nathan from Garden Skoda and Order Shop, and today I'll be showing you our Skoda Enyaq 80 suite. The Enyaq is our first fully electric Skoda, and today I'll be taking it for a drive and showing you the various options that this particular car has. Now onto the road review of the Skoda Enyaq 80. This particular model has around 200 horsepower and has a range of about 300 miles, obviously depending on weather conditions and how it's being driven. The first thing you notice when you get behind the wheel of an Enyaq across the whole range is they are very, very comfortable. This one in particular, being the suite, has a full leather interior, making it a little bit nicer, and it also has the comfort seat pack, which has the electrically adjustable seats, and the Climate Pack Plus, which means the front and rear seats are heated. When you're behind the wheel of the Enyaq, you'll find that everything is exactly where you need it to be. You have your 13-inch infotainment screen in the middle, which controls pretty much everything, and you have a smaller screen in front of you which shows you your speed, your range, whether your lane assist is active, and it also has a speed limit of the road. If you're watching this video, you'll likely know a few facts about the Enyaq already, one being that it is quite a big car. But I'm driving it on a windy road now, and to be honest, it feels really, really connected, feels really comfortable, feels quite planted. Obviously being electric, all the batteries are in the floor of the car, which means it has a low centre of gravity, which means it's really comfortable to handle, and you feel really confident driving it. This particular model has the Assisted Drive Pack Plus, which means it has adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and traffic jam assist. This car also has the Light and View Basic Pack, which means it has full LED front and tail lights. It also has the Convenience Pack Plus, which means it has keyless entry, wireless charging for your phone, and an electric boot with virtual pedal. Like I mentioned earlier, the car has the Climate Pack Plus with the heated front and rear seats. It also has a heated windscreen and tri-zone climate control. On top of all that, it also has the Basic Family Pack, which means it has USB-C ports in the rear and roll-up shades for the rear windows. Last but not least, our Enyaq has 125 kilowatt DC charging capabilities. After watching this video, hopefully you can agree that the Enyaq is an amazing car. If you're looking for a spacious, practical electric vehicle that has amazing options that you can select, this is definitely the one for you. This particular car we've been using as a demonstrator for around 6,000 miles now, and of course is still available to be test driven. So if you're interested, get in contact with us with the details that come up on the screen now.